Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on creating a sales order in ManuDyn Cloud 9. To create a sales order, click the Sales Orders menu group and click the Order Management menu item. The Order Management screen is similar to other data entry screens in ManuDyn in that there is a blue toolbar at the top of the content area where we can enter the record that we wish to work with. In the field located in the blue toolbar, we need to enter the sales order that we want to create or modify. Alternatively, when creating a new sales order, you can leave this field blank and the system will use the next available order number. I will leave the field blank and start by pushing the Tab key and moving into the Order Details tab. If you are entering an order based on a quote, you can enter the quote number and the system will fill in the details from the quote, or you can manually enter the customer and item details. In my example, I will be using the quote I created in the Create a Quote video by clicking on the Quote Lookup Search and double-clicking the required quote number. I can now enter the customer's order number, then click the first row in the Item Details grid to set a due date for the order item. The Item Details dialog allows us to set the details for this sales order item. Since I selected a quote, all the information has automatically been entered and we just need to set a due date and confirm the quantity and price, which can be done by clicking on the required row in the pricing information grid. If we wanted to add additional items to this order, we would click the empty row at the bottom of the grid. I'm now finished entering the sales order and can save it by clicking on the Save button in the toolbar, or save and close it by clicking on the OK button at the bottom of the tab. Instead, I'm going to click the Advice button in the toolbar so that I can send an order acknowledgement to the customer. This is the standard order acknowledgement format. You can either have your company name at the top of the printout or upload a letterhead image to use. Additionally, our support team is happy to work with you to create a custom layout to suit your needs. Now that we have the printout on screen, we have four choices. We can print directly to the printer, email the printout as a PDF, save it as a PDF, or close the printout and return to the entry screen. Next, I will print out the job ticket by clicking the Ticket button in the toolbar. This is the standard job ticket format, and this document acts as the instruction document for the order, outlining what the material requirements are and what operations are required to manufacture the order. From this screen we can print, email, save or close the printout. To enter a new sales order, click the New icon in the toolbar. Once you have finished entering sales orders, you can return to the home page by clicking the Home Page button at the top of the screen or by clicking on the Exit button in the toolbar. In the next video tutorial, we will run the order processing routine to see if we need to raise any other orders as a result of creating this sales order. Click on the link to start the next video.